antispasmodic. Traditionally, it'll show up in cough formulas here. It has also an affinity for the bronchial tubes.
Yeah.
It'll help relax the chest, open up the bronchial tubes, and help make a productive cough. So it shows up in the older traditional Southern formulas for respiratory, just because it has such wonderful antispasmodic activity. But so same way red clover might show up too, and black cohosh and red clover actually go really well together in a cough formula. They really do relax and open everything up. So